Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am bringing you a haul today. I feel like I am going a little bit crazy shopping, just a little bit crazy these days. There is loads and loads of holiday stuff on sale, which I feel like I haven't done enough shopping, but I kind of have. Anyway, so I thought I would actually film a haul for you guys today, and maybe I'll film another video of just like trying everything out. So yeah, I've picked these things up here and there and everywhere. So let's get started. All right, so I have a box here and I've just sort of thrown everything in there. I placed an order on Glamradar. I placed an order on Morphe.com, and I also have just been going around locally and doing some shopping. So it's just all of it combined, and just gonna randomly pick things out of the box and we'll go from there. Okay, so the first thing out of this box is the Makeup Revolution Soft X palette. This looked beautiful in the palette. I haven't opened it up yet. I got this box literally the next day. I placed an order on Monday morning, and Tuesday afternoon it had come. So I feel like I think Glamradar had like over $70. Was if you spend $70, you got free express shipping. So yeah, like I said, next day box was here. Alright, I'm gonna have to just throw stuff here. It's called Extra Spice. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but I just really loved the color scheme. Really loved the color scheme on this one. It's like one of those metal packages. Comes with a sleeve inside, which very oh, I love the mirror on this one. I forget with Makeup Revolution their mirror sizes are so big, but that's what that looks like, and I think it is absolutely gorgeous. And I love the fact that these have names on them as well. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this one out. I feel like the colors in it, like, they're just so vibrant. I actually don't know who this Soph X person is. I've never watched any of her videos, but I think I'm going to look her up, and I'm definitely going to see what was inspired for this palette and what are some of the looks that she's done, and then hopefully recreate something or just create something beautiful for the holidays from this palette. I absolutely love and adore the color scheme on this one. I think it is very vibrant, very versatile, and you can do so much on this from this palette. So really excited to try it. Next up, I ordered the Wet n Wild mini lip kit, or mini liquid lip collection. I think this is one of their holiday collections. Comes with like 4 really tiny lipsticks in there, liquid lipsticks in there. I feel like 2 of them they look metallic. Ooh, I don't like metallic lipsticks. These are so tiny. They're 3.5 grams, so they're literally like 0.12 fluid ounce. This is in the shade Rebel Rose. Oh, they're cute. They're so cute. I think this is my kind of shade. Love it. Not bad. I feel like I'm gonna lose them because they're so tiny. But I think that'd be great for like just keeping them in my drawer at work. I've got like this really tiny, cute ass drawer. So the next one is Berry Recognize. Looks something like that in the tube. Oh, yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yes. Oh, I love this color. Oh, now comes the metallic ones. Liquid catsuit. This is metallic. This one was matte. So there's 2 mattes and there's 2 metallics. Should have read that, hey. But anyways, I feel like the metallics are a bit of a moussey texture. So that's the very bottom one there. I most definitely feel like that's quite moussey. The texture is very, very moussey. This one was Life's No Picnic. I like that. And the last one is Acai So Serious. I never know whether it's acai or acai. I feel like everyone here in Australia says acai, acai. And I feel like I could be wrong, but I feel like in the States it was acai. Acai? What? I'm not even gonna try. No. Anyways, that's that color there. Yeah, it's definitely very moussey texture. The other ones are definitely more liquid, versus these metallic ones are very, very moussey-like. I hope I'm making sense. Alright, next up I have two foundations. I feel like everything that's come out of the box so far has been Glam Raider, so just a little update. I ordered two foundations from Glam Raider, and one was the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define that is so hyped up. Everyone's been talking about it. I got it in the shade 8.5. I'm hoping and I'm praying and I have my fingers crossed that this is my shade. Looks quite promising in the package. Time will tell. The other one that I ordered was Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. Again, this one is also very, very popular, very hyped up. I'm just really, really late to the bandwagon. Like always, I ordered this one in golden beige. I feel like there is a slight difference in shade. I feel like this one's a little bit on the darker side, but we'll see how they apply it on the face, and fingers crossed they work for me. But yeah, I got those two foundations. I'm really excited to try them. I've had a little bit of a hit and miss with my foundations lately. Even the ones that were amazing in winter for me, lately they've just been a little too much for my skin. I feel like everything I put on just makes it really, really heavy and really uncomfortable throughout the day. I'm having a little bit of a difficult time with my mascaras and my foundations. I feel like all my mascaras that were waterproof at one point and that did not move and that I swore by lately just transfer onto my lower lash line, and I've started keeping my lower lash line quite bare just so that I wouldn't have that transfer issue, but it still transfers from my top lashes, because when I smile, like all of my cheekbones and everything like lifts up, and it is just so annoying. It is so frustrating because then I have to keep touching up my under eye area, and it's not very pretty. I've come to the point where I'm like, I don't want to wear makeup to work because it's so much effort, which I don't like because I love wearing makeup. So that's what I've been going through, guys. Anyways, moving on. I have two concealers. I also ordered with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I also ordered their concealer. This one is in the shade, it should say that right, C8. So I got the shade C8. Hopefully matches, works, one thing or the other. We'll see how that goes. The other one I picked up was the new Instant Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. This wasn't from Glam Raider. I think I got this from Priceline or Chemist Warehouse, one of the two, I don't know. But yeah, I got these two concealers and I'm super excited to try these. I hope that they work on my under eyes because, like I said, I've been having a little bit of an issue going on right now with my foundation and my concealer and creasing and under eye area mess, and fingers crossed these work. Next up, I also picked up Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I made sure that this is the waterproof one. I do use waterproof mascaras on a daily basis, but they still do transfer on me, so hopefully this one works. I also picked up this I Love Revolution lipstick. This is in the shade Dragon's Blood. I don't know if it's Makeup Revolution or Revolution Makeup, or I don't know. I Love Revolution is a different brand. I'm not too sure. But fun fact, I placed the order and there was nothing on the website or anything like that. Like, it was all full price. Now, 2 days later, 3 days later, they're hosting a 10% sale. Just FYI. Anyway, this is the lipstick. It's got a little bit of a dragon skin, or like some kind of indentation to it, like snake skin kind of thing. But it's a beautiful shade. Like I said, it was Dragon's Blood. And oh, it's so creamy. That's that shade there. So obviously, like, I'm in a very... Okay, it kind of smells nice, but then at the same time, it kind of smells chemically. You know those really old lipstick formulas where the smell was very, very typical? It smells like that. But the formula seems very smooth, very, very creamy and rich. But yeah, I really like that shade. It's obviously Christmas, and I'm leaning more towards reds and stuff because I really do love my beautiful red on Christmas. Something about it. Anyways, I also picked up this shade from Australis. This is their Girl Boss Velvet Lip Cream. I should have opened all of these beforehand. You live and you learn. This is in the shade Humble. I feel like I've heard good things about this one. Oh, yes. I love it. I'm all about lipsticks. That's that shade there. Do you see a theme? I do. And mind you, I've picked all of these things separately. And yeah, like I do. Next up, I picked up the Real Techniques makeup sponge. I've been wanting this for a long time. I've been wanting to try it for a long time, and yeah, finally picked one up. I don't know why it took me so long. Honestly, I've been enjoying my which one is it? The gloss makeup sponges quite a bit, but I was ready to try something new. I also picked up the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation. This one, I have tried it once. It is a little too dark on me, so I usually have to mix another foundation with it with a little bit of a lighter coverage. However, every time I wear this, I feel like this is the one that kind of lifts from my skin. For some reason, I cannot make it work. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. I've used a matte primer. I've used an hydrating primer. I've used one of the facial sprays to set my face before I start putting on makeup. I have literally tried so many things, and this still, even when it's mixed in with a foundation that I know that works, it still lifts from my skin. So I don't know. I'm still trying it out. I'm still experimenting with it, trying to make it work somehow or the other. I don't know what it is. But this is in the shade Warm Honey. I don't know. Just simply don't know. I also picked up the Rimmel Brow This Way brow styling gel. And this time I got it in dark brown, which I really, really do like it this time around. I had light brown or medium brown before. I had medium brown before, and it just didn't work. I feel like it didn't do anything for my brows, but this one, I feel like this one works a little bit better. I did try this once before, and I do really like this formula now because it is the right shade. Okay, I think we're almost done. We are. From Morphe, I think the rest of the order is just from Morphe. I placed an order on Morphe, I don't know, I feel like 2 or 3 weeks ago. It's been a while. It's definitely been a while. Yeah, so 29th of November to be exact. The first thing was their sponge, which is very, very similar to the Real Techniques, but I didn't want to miss the opportunity to buy a sponge as I was placing that order. So again, looking forward to trying that. I feel like my sponges really now need retiring. So, okay, I ordered 2 palettes from Morphe, which I've been itching and dying to try. And I've been like really good about holding it off because I wanted to film a haul and I really wanted to kind of film my first impressions as well. So I've been good. But so the first one that's out of the box is Nat 350 Nature Glow. And this one, so many boxes. This is like, oh, this is pure love. It's like you don't have to think before you do your makeup. I love it. The only thing with these ones though is that they don't have names. So every time I probably would want to do a tutorial, I'd have to like lift it. This is a big palette. I'd have to lift it up and be like, okay, yeah, this is the one. Sorry, there's a sheet on there, but yeah, I just adore this one. It's called Nature Glow. I think I already said that. All right, lastly, is there anything else? No, that's pretty much it. Lastly, I think this is what inspired my haul from Morphe. Because I don't normally place an order online that often, but when I saw this, I was like, yes. This is the Boss Mood palette, 35M Boss Mood palette. The colors in this one, to die for. Like, come on. Seriously, like, come on. These purples and, oh man, I cannot wait to try this. Cannot freaking stinking wait. This one comes with a sheet, which has all the colors written on top. I don't know how practical that is, but it's there. I might actually just tape it on the back, most likely, because that's probably the only way it's gonna stick around. I don't think it can stay any other way, but love this one. I cannot freaking wait to try it on. Maybe tomorrow, because we're going for a party tomorrow, and I just might make a video. I don't know. Anyways, lastly, it's not makeup related. It's nothing. But I picked up an Apple Watch. I love this little thing. I got the 44mm in the GPS rose gold, obviously, with the pink. That's it for my haul, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I had so much fun filming. I cannot freaking stinking wait to dig my hands into these things. Like, honestly, I cannot wait. So stay tuned, loads to come. I do want to use a lot of these things in a video, so be on the lookout. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please do not forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And until next time, take care. Bye.